Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Instapark 10-watt solar panel. It has dual USB ports. Now, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Release it. Excuse me, lost it for a second. Alright, there it is in this little box. No tags or anything. Interesting. Alright, let's open it up. First thing you see is paper here. Let's see. Just technical specs, instructions, maintenance, all that good stuff. For the main thing. This is, yeah. So the USB ports are in this little pouch they put on here. You guys can see they're here. So they're right in here. So you can put, like, you put your phone here and connect it right here to charge. And then open up the panels. There's 3 panels here. And it also says right here, portable solar power supply, USB output 5 volts, 10 watt max. Okay, now I'm not in direct sunlight or anything, so I'm still gonna try it. We'll see if it pick up any power. Let me grab something here. See if it picks up any power. Let's see. This here. And yes, it is, folks. It is picking, even though I'm not in direct sunlight, it is picking up. And it's charging. This is an MP3 player, and it's charging it right now. So I'm not even in direct sunlight, and it's already working. Right. And I like this little pouch they have here. Pretty nice, you know, you put your phone in there. You've got your phone, put the flap down. Bam, out of sight. Pretty nice. It folds up. Little package. So it's pretty good. I hope this helps you guys if you're looking for a solar panel. So far this one is doing all right, even though I'm not in direct sunlight. So far it's doing okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope it helps you guys. Bye bye.